Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to modify your YouTube data saving mode settings on the YouTube mobile app for iOS and Android devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the YouTube app and select the U icon in the bottom right corner. Select the gear icon in the top right. On the left side, scroll down underneath Video and Audio Preferences and select Data Saving. On the right side, Data Saving Mode, you can toggle that on or off at the top, which automatically adjusts settings to save mobile data. There's additional settings under here, so if you want to reduce video quality, you can have that toggled on, meaning it'll use less bandwidth when it is playing videos. If you want to adjust the upload over Wi-Fi only, so it won't upload videos if you are not on a Wi-Fi network, you can toggle that on as well. Additional settings here as well for quality for every video, and then mobile data usage reminder notifications. So if you have a fixed plan, you may want to have a reminder after so much data has been used. Maybe you have a data cap. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.